Welcome to the WSI Priority Media YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you about this online marketing course for small businesses that we have created. And let me tell you, this is not just any online marketing course, but this is honestly the best course for any small business to learn a solid strategy and an avenue to be able to take and apply into their business. It's filled with tips and strategies for growth. We literally wrote the book on digital marketing. Not just any book written by somebody who wants to show you some tips and strategies. No. See, we've developed over a 25-year period of time inside of our innovation lab the processes that we actually use every single day in our agencies. Over 98 million clicks under our belt. We figured out what works and what doesn't work in digital strategy. And we can help you shave many years off of your growth online. So if you're looking to grow your business and you're looking for simple, straightforward, step-by-step techniques and processes that you can follow, this course, I think you are just going to be absolutely thrilled with. We've won over 48 Web Marketing Association awards. Look, that is the highest honor that you can achieve in our industry. If you work in Hollywood, to be able to receive an Oscar and Emmy is the pinnacle of your career. In digital marketing, the Web Marketing Association awards are the pinnacle of our industry. And they're just proof that these same processes here actually work. So those are the same things I'm going to be sharing with you. And these are the 12 sections that are laid out in the course. Number one is your competition. When you're in digital marketing, you need to understand who your competition is, what they're doing, and how you can have one step ahead. And it's very easy to do by being able to gather data. And we're going to show you how to be able to do that. Number two is your ideal customer. Digital marketing wastes a lot of money when it's broad, but when you're able to streamline and target your audiences and you get really good at building automation inside of your digital marketing to get in front of your ideal customer, you'll find that you're spending less and you're getting greater rates of return. Planning a digital strategy. There are so many different places that you can go online now that you have to be able to pick the best avenues that work the most, and we'll show you how to be able to do that. Generating demand. How do you build your brand? How do you bring traffic to you? And that's what we're going to cover in Chapter 5 and Chapter 6, inbound marketing, website conversion. Look, traffic is what costs you money. Conversions are what make you money. So we spend time showing you how to be able to optimize that and how to make conversion strategy as efficient and profitable as possible. Your conversational marketing. Number 8, video marketing. Video is absolutely crucial in your digital marketing today. And it is the most engaged form of content, the most shared form of content on the planet Earth today. So you want to make sure that video is really built into every step of your marketing, from top of funnel to on your site to bottom of funnel and your remarketing. Your SEO and your social media together work extremely well. We'll show you that in Chapter 9. In Chapter 10, how to be able to use your strategy, your database more profitably. Number 11, developing your brand loyalty. And in number 12 is bringing it all together and being able to watch everything and monitor it into really smart hub and smart analytics. So the book is available for you. It is actually free, and we have a course that actually goes with it hand in hand as well too. So if you go ahead and click the link that's below, you can grab a copy of the book. Now you can go and order it on Amazon if you want for $20, but for our subscribers here, just subscribe to our channel and then click the button and go over to the link, and you can grab a copy absolutely free. I wish you the best in your digital marketing, and if you get value out of this course, I want you to make sure that you message me. Let me know what you enjoyed most about it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and why don't you like this, comment, and subscribe.